Picture this. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, suddenly transforms into a hospitable planet reminiscent of Earth. What would this mean for our cosmos? The ramifications would be monumental, reshaping our comprehension of planetary dynamics, astrobiology, and perhaps even the future of humanity's space exploration initiatives. Venus, frequently dubbed Earth's sister planet due to its comparable size and composition, is notoriously inhospitable. Its surface is a blistering inferno, with temperatures soaring to over 860 degrees Fahrenheit and an atmosphere made up primarily of carbon dioxide, shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid. However, if Venus were to miraculously metamorphose, becoming a second Earth, the possibilities would be limitless. The transformation of Venus into a habitable planet would revolutionize our understanding of astrobiology. With a fresh, potentially life-supporting environment, scientists would eagerly investigate the possibility of microbial life forms existing within Venus's newfound habitable zones. This discovery would ignite excitement and spur further exploration, as researchers strive to unravel the enigmas of life beyond Earth. The modification of Venus's environment would have extensive consequences for the solar system's dynamics. The introduction of another Earth-like planet could disrupt the delicate equilibrium of gravitational forces, leading to changes in the orbits of neighboring planets. Moreover, the newfound habitability of Venus would challenge conventional theories about planetary evolution and the conditions necessary to sustain life. The transformation of Venus into a habitable planet would present unprecedented opportunities for humanity. With another Earth-like world within our grasp, space agencies would undoubtedly ramp up their efforts to explore and potentially colonize Venus. This could herald the start of a new era of space exploration, where humans venture beyond the confines of our own planet to establish settlements on other celestial bodies. Despite the enticing prospects, transforming Venus into a habitable planet would pose substantial challenges. The process of altering its atmosphere, temperature, and surface conditions to resemble those of Earth would require vast resources and technological advancements. Moreover, the long-term sustainability of such a transformation would depend on our ability to mitigate potential environmental and ecological risks. The scenario of a second Earth replacing Venus is a captivating thought experiment that underscores the interconnectedness of celestial bodies within our solar system. While purely speculative, it invites us to ponder the profound implications of planetary transformations and the limitless possibilities of life beyond Earth. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we should stay curious and open-minded, ready to embrace the wonders that await us in the expansive vastness of space.